No phone calls? That's a new one. Oh well. This is kind of a collection of a few videos, a few trips to the city right before we moved. My hair is getting a bit out of hand, so it is time for a haircut. I had my haircut in February 2020, then in June of 2020, and back around to this, I don't know, February or March 2021. Time for a haircut. As you can see on the Jeep, it gets blown around kind of crazy like, and I can't wear my hat because it hits the top of the Jeep and gets filthy. I did not film the entire haircut, just a couple short pieces, but as you can see, it goes very quickly. Fun, lots of hair gone, boo-hoo. I miss my ponytail, but it's so hot.
Okay, see, doesn't that look better? Oh, you can't see it. All gone. The haircut is done. So we're gonna go down to Unitop and start shopping for outfitting the condo. Oh wow. Lab Lee is one of my favorite stores to wander around and look at stuff, and they've completely changed the front, so you just walk up to the counter and order what you want. No more wandering. Oh, that's no fun at all. I understand it, but that's no fun at all. Anyway, this is Unitop. They've got like cheap plastic shelving and such, and we need a whole lot for this condo because there's nothing. Supermarket and plasticware, furniture and kitchenware. That's what they say. I just noticed these roots here in the ground. They go up. They go up. They go to the tree on the roof. How long does it take that tree's roots to come all the way down into the ground? I did that walk last week. It was, I said early, 9:30 in the morning. Now we're between 11:30 and 12. Sidewalks are still empty for the most part. There's little crowds here and there, but not much. Got some new shops. Couple food kiosks, shawarma, fruit, fish balls, some new stuff here at the Robinsons in Molo. I have not been here in probably 6 or 7 months. That's the Radisson Hotel at SM City. Can't really see it, but SM City's right there. So right behind Plazuela, we have this market just showed up. It's just on the sidewalk, but somehow it's not a sidewalk vendor because it's allowed and everyone likes it, so I hope it stays. They said it's been here for 6 or 7 months. It's lots of different produce vendors, fruits, veggies, decent selection, good prices. I usually go to Super, to the big market, and everyone says the stuff here is as cheap as Super. So that is good. So all the neighbors use this. It's walking distance to a number of the condos. So this is going to be our market for a while anyway. Make sure nobody walks off with my, I just bought those gray boxes. Those are our moving boxes. I did not know, but after the fruits and veggies, you have your dried fish and fresh fish. So this does kind of have everything to get you started. It's not a bad little market for just this one little row. This was interesting, to me anyway. I was at Chow King for breakfast,
A person came over, sat at a table near me, took the number, had the little plastic order number off of another table, put the number on his table, sat there for about 10 minutes, and then left. I guess he was just using that number to make it look like he belonged there and he wanted to take a break. I'm not sure. Oh well. This is something I will enjoy about living in the city. We're not there yet, but we're working on it. Going to Super to buy some tofu and veggies. But it's a nice day, so I skipped the Jeep and I'm just walking. I'm coming in the back way. I believe this goes to Super. I've never actually been down this street before. But that's how you find your way around. You just go. I'm pretty sure this goes to the backside of Super. We'll find out. And if you never hear from me again, well, then we'll know. Hello, puppy. I need to remember where this is. Because there's a stainless steel house. I need to get some stainless work done, and I wasn't sure who did stainless. They do. That's a good thing to remember. Not sure if y'all can see the ocean right there, but we are very near the ocean. I started to think I might be one street over and would never, like walk past Super, one street over, and nope, here it is. I was on the right street. It was just farther than I thought. I don't usually come up this way. Let's go inside and see what they got for me. That is a hand cart. That is a one-person hand cart, and it looks heavy. We're gonna go inside and see what they got. Good day. Since the high summer is coming, veggies are coming out really good. This is the best time to shop. Everyone's got cucumbers. Haven't seen any good carrots yet. They have these look like they came out of the ground. I don't like those. I like the bright orange ones. The imports. Not sure what the difference is, but they're better. Yeah, those are about the best I've seen so far. And it goes on pretty much forever. But it's all very nice. Pretty much anything you get in any other part of town comes through here. So you may as well come here to get it. Look at that cauliflower. Enjoy your day in paradise.